Okay, in this video, I will guide you how to install the L36 scanner on your PC. So please take note, only one PC can be installed for this L36 scanner installer inside your office network. And the next one is this PC have to connect to your office network through Ethernet port. Cannot connect through the Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi is not stable enough when you do the scanning. Okay, the first step, this is the URL, copy it, then go to your Internet Explorer or Chrome, then paste it there, enter. So you can come to this Google Drive link here. So this file is a zip file, it contains 2 files inside here. So we just click on this, download. Okay, so the download is done. Show in the folder. I'll go to the download path that for your Internet Explorer. Then you reach here, right click, extract this file. Okay, go inside the folder. Then you can see one, this is the installer. Double click or right click, open. Okay, now click on the next button. I agree. Click install. Then has been successfully installed in your computer. Click on start application. Click finish. So you'll notice actually the application will prompt this security for your firewall. Make sure that it's allowed for both network. Click allow access. Okay, so this is the application that has been successfully installed. So this is a path of the location that where you want to save the location of the file. So you can change it by clicking here. Then select the specific folder that you want to scan. For example, I put in my D drive, Canon scan, select folder. So whenever I scan, it will go to this folder. So you can also change the file format. So currently this version supports TIFF, PDF and JPEG. Usually you can select PDF. Okay, so make sure that when you want to do the scanning, this application is always running. Normally when you launch the Windows or you log into Windows, it will actually automatically launch it, then it will hide inside the tray here. You can see here, so make sure that it is inside here, or you can also open, it will show you back. If I close it, then I can right click, open, it will open back things. So make sure this application is always turned on when you want to do the scanning. So now you can try to go to the scanner and do the scanning. Okay, so you have already installed the L36 scanner inside your computer. So now we want to double confirm that whether your Windows 4 is already allowed for this L36 scanner to go through the network or not. So we can click on the Windows logo or start, then search for control panel. So usually you will see in this view in the last icon. However, sometimes you can see on this category view. So you make yourself easier, go to the large icon here. Then you can see here, look for the Windows Firewall or Windows Defender Firewall. Go inside. Then click on Allow an app or features. Okay, so maybe yours one also have this chain setting. Click on the chain setting here first. If you don't have, it's okay. Then search for the scan app. You can just simply type S. Okay, it come out. So for my PC just now, it's already enabled for public and private. So in case yours one is not enabled or didn't found this, never mind, you can always come to allow and other apps here, then browse the location. Okay, so you inside your C folder of the drive there, look for the program file x86, then you look for global scanning UK LDT. Okay, this is the one, L scan. Select it, open, then add it. For my case, my one already included, so it cannot be added. However, if yours one not included, you can just add, then make sure that you check for private and public.